The Philippines has one of the fastest growing economies in Southeast Asia, with notable performances in the real estate industry, insurance and financial industries, and business process outsourcing companies from its central business districts. Bonifacio Global City, as the newest and fastest growing central business district, is home to residential condominiums, multinational companies, international schools, embassies, places of worship, healthcare facilities, parks, the Philippine Stock Exchange, and the world-class Grand Hyatt Manila. Federal Land Incorporated, one of the most trusted real estate developers in the country, has partnered with two Japanese giants in residential and retail development, Nomura Real Estate and Isetan Mitsukoshi Holdings, respectively. Nomura Real Estate Development was established as a spin-off from Nomura Securities, which has over 90 years of investment banking experience and is one of Japan's largest financial institutions. Nomura Real Estate Development is one of the leading developers of condominiums and detached houses centered in the Greater Tokyo area that carries the Proud brand. Proud is valued as a high-quality condominium brand owing to its highly integrated way of development, sales, and management. Some of its flagship projects are the Tomihisa Cross Comfort Tower, Proud Tower Nagoya, Proud Tower Otsu, and many other iconic projects under the Proud brand. Isetan Mitsukoshi Holdings Limited is one of the oldest and largest department store groups in Japan. Mitsukoshi was founded in 1673, while Isetan Department Store opened its doors in 1886. These two companies merged and have been operating 62 stores nationwide since 2008. Its flagship store is the Mitsukoshi Nihonbashi Main Store. It opens stores in Shinjuku, Ginza, and other prominent locations in Japan. This partnership will develop a world-class Japanese-inspired project that aims to enhance Philippine lifestyle. It will be situated at Federal Land's Master Plan Community in Bonifacio Global City, Grand Central Park. Grand Central Park is an integrated use community with a thriving cosmopolitan vibe. In this vibrant urban enclave will rise a piece of Japan you can own, the Seasons Residences. A four-tower residential condominium inspired by the four seasons of Japan: Haru, Natsu, Aki, and Fuyu. These towers are designed for convenience and functionality and infused with Japanese technology. At the podium of the Seasons Residences is the country's first branch of Japan's most renowned department store chain, Mitsukoshi. It features a curated spectrum of premier Japanese dining options, international food choices, handicrafts, and accessories. It caters to the more discerning consumers with premium cosmetics, wellness, and lifestyle shops. A signature supermarket by Isetan Mitsukoshi elevates the grocery shopping experience with its interesting array of fresh and chilled items, as well as household goods and daily necessities, premium food court, and sweet shops. The Seasons Residences is inspired by the seasons of Japan with its amenities designed and zoned to elicit the feeling of a new beginning, to provide a space for play and recreation, to induce a more conducive ambiance for creative pursuits, and to rejuvenate one's soul with sheer relaxation. The Seasons Residences will offer a distinct amenity, the guest house, which will be made available for use by relatives and friends of residents. The Seasons Residences will bring the Japanese tradition of excellence and innovation to the Philippines through its architecture and design. Experience the efficiency of Japanese living with design elements that keep you organized. Maximize the use of your space and provide convenient plumbing maintenance. Ingenious technology that increases building comfort, safety, and resilience to both wind and earthquakes. And intelligent security systems for added protection. Technology that keeps your surroundings neat and easy to clean, while it saves and protects the environment through unique features that regulate energy consumption. Live in an environment of convenience and functionality. Elevate your lifestyle. At Bonifacio Global City, own a piece of Japan with the Seasons Residences.